Michael Velasco with Provident Accounting Services in Scottsdale, Arizona. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up your LLC with a brand new online portal by the Arizona Corporation Commission. Things have really changed. It's November 2019. We can actually go online now. This last year, the Corporation Commission kind of transitioned to their new website. So I thought it was really important that I do this video, show you guys how to use the platform, and also give you some advice. I remember setting up my first businesses and being really intimidated by the process and not really knowing what I was supposed to do. So hopefully I'm going to give you some advice and pointers on the other side of showing you how the online system. So let's get to the computer first off and show you how to set up your LLC or corporation on the Corporation Commission's website. Let's get going on it. Okay, everybody, I'm going to show you how to do a LLC at Arizona Corporation Commission. Please note if you're doing a partnership, it's actually a different website. It's handled by the Secretary of State, so don't start partnerships here. But if you're doing an LLC or a corporation, you can go onto this website and it'll ask you to log in. I've already logged in, but you can just go to the Corporation Commission, create an account. This is the new way to do it. All the old videos are wrong, as I stated in the introduction. So once you log in, you can create a new LLC. Once you go here, you can click limited liability company or professional liability company. Okay. So that will take you, this is a really slow website, but that will take you to a screen where you can search for your entity that you want to form. So you want to make sure it's available. I'm here searching, I've created Michael Velasco Carpet Cleaning LLC, so I want to make sure it's available. And it is, which is great. So it says, no, this name is available, so which is good. So you're just going to hit next. Okay, and then this is going to start your articles of organization. No longer do you have to fill out the forms. It's all done online, so it's really fantastic because I've done probably a dozen of these, and it's so. I was waiting for the Corporation Commission to have an online portal, which they've created. Okay, so you put your effective date and time, the character of your business. You could search through, see which one best matches yours. Mine are probably other services because I'm doing carpet cleaning, and the character of my business. They don't have carpet cleaning, but they do have like probably households. Let's see here. Let's see here if they have home care. I'm going to put home garden repair and maintenance because that's probably the best one. Okay. Click next. And statutory agent information. Is a statutory agent an existing business registered with the Arizona Corporation Commission? No. So I'm going to put my name. Okay, and I'll search, and I'll on here I'm going to probably pop up quite a bit. Pardon the website; it is a government-run website, so it just doesn't run very fast. But I'm going to pick my name down here because I've already registered a bunch of businesses in Arizona. My old address, same. You'll fill in your information here. If you're doing this for the first time, it's probably you're just going to have to enter everything in. Okay, or you can either search or you can create an agent. You are the agent if you're starting your own business. So, and then click next. I missed an email. Let's put in my Provident one. And click next. And the principal address. For this purposes, I'm going to put it's the same as my other address, my old address. So, with 2 key. And then the management structure. This gets a little tricky. So first off, you got to advise with a tax advisor how you want to be either manager, member, manager managed or member managed. And so you want to go and select which one you want to be. Like I said, advise with a tax advisor on that. And I'll just enter my name here and my address. And then you have to add principal. This gets really tricky. If you try to hit next, you'll get an error message. So make sure you add, and then it'll show up down here. It took me, the first time I did that, it took me 15 minutes to figure out. So help you guys out. And then here, organizer information. Who is organizing this LLC? It's probably you. So you're just going to put your name there. Fill out your address. I'm not going to put all that stuff in here. I'm going to add organizer again. Make sure you click the add button and then you click next. And then this is another thing that can really trick you up. It says the e-corporation system will take the information you've entered and create the articles. So they're going to create the articles for you. You don't need to upload one of those articles of organization. These are the articles of organization that you're filling out. So you don't, unless you have an attorney prepare those, you can just have you could just have this system go ahead and do that. So we're just going to say yes. We're going to keep it yes and hit next. Okay, so your signature, I agree. And I'm going to put my name in there. And again, add. Oh, see, I forgot the title. Moving a little too quick. I'm the authorized agent. And we're going to click next. It's fast moving government website. It's beautiful. Okay, so here's my new carpet company. Cleaning company is all set up here. And everything's looking good. I'm just checking everything to make sure everything looks right. You know, check for typos because it's a pain to really change those. So I can review it. Yeah, everything looks good. I'm excited about my new carpet cleaning business. And then I'm going to go to payment details. Okay. And under the payment details, the document fee of articles of organization, which is great. And it says the filing fee paid for one document it cannot be transferred, and they are non-refundable. So they want to let you know you're not getting your money back on this. If you are in a hurry, you can expedite it, or you can do regular. Okay, and so so if I wanted to go, I guess they're only allowing me to expedite it here. So you can click on either of those, whether you want to expedite or not. And then you just add that to your shopping cart, and then at that point you just check out. You can add another filing if you like. So that's the online portion of how to do your articles of organization in the state of Arizona.
All right, so now we got our articles of organization for our LLC or corporation filed. And let's get to work on what we can do while we wait for those. So it's going to take 2 to 4 weeks for those to be registered with the Corporation Commission. And until they're registered, you can't open a bank account, but we can do some other things. So we're going to go to irs.gov and get our EIN number. We're going to need that. And we're going to need that in order to set up a bank account. And so that's what we're going to do. Unless you're a sole proprietor with your own Social Security number, you're going to need an EIN number. Okay, so while we're waiting 2 to 4 weeks, get our EIN number, and then next we're going to go and get our website. So as you're determining what the name of your company is, it's always a good idea to check on GoDaddy. What's the available URLs? What are the ones that are going to be ones that match up with your business? See what's available. Like entity names, there also some can be unavailable. So you want to check in on GoDaddy, see what's available. Typically, they're URLs are usually $20 to $30 a year, and so they're really inexpensive. Some of them are as little as $10. So go to GoDaddy, get on, pick your website, okay? And then the other thing that we're going to do is if your business is collecting sales tax or needs a business license, so you should know this before you open your business, whether it needs to be licensed. Are you a contractor? Well, obviously you should be licensed if you're a contractor. If you're a real estate agent, you should be licensed, right? So all of those things you're going to research before you open your business. And so if you need a business license. And the other thing is the product or service you're giving to the consumers going to require sales tax? One of my businesses that I started was a photography company, and we found out we needed a sales tax permit. And so we had to apply that through AZ.gov, and that website is azdor.gov, and I'll put that up there here for you as well to set that up. And then finally, after you get that registered, with the state. Those documents are complete with the state. You can take those, your EIN number, and now you're ready to go down to your bank, whether it's Chase or Wells Fargo or Bank of America. You're going to go down there, take those documents with you, and any business banker can help you set up your business account, because you really want to run everything through your business account. So that's really it. A couple other pointers, just quick pointers on running businesses. Make sure you run your business like a business. Have a business plan. Have a budget. Have a pro forma. Have an accountant you can rely on. If you don't have one, we're a great resource here at Provident. Kurt Dodge is our senior accountant, and he's fantastic, and he can give you some strategies for saving money on taxes. Secondly, pay your quarterly required payments to the IRS, and getting in good habits with the IRS, because a lot of small business owners get in a lot of trouble with the IRS because those wages are no longer withheld like a W-2 employee. Okay, so that's the other one. And lastly, I want to tell you, congratulations on starting your business. This is the great thing about living in America. Anybody can be anything, and so I wish you the best of luck in your business. If we can be a resource for you, or if this process is just way too intimidating and you need help, we charge a very, very small fee to help people get their LLCs and their businesses set up. And so if we can be a resource, we don't make a ton of money on that. Our main revenue streams are bookkeeping and taxes. But if we can be a resource for you and be helpful, we've got a lot of experience as well. So we'll leave our contact information here. If you like, please also subscribe to our YouTube feed, and good luck with your business.